Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are new. In today's video, we will be looking at really cool free slides that gives you very useful templates for your presentations. And let's get started. So here I have opened my Google Chrome page and now let's search slides Mania. So this is the page that opens up, and you can choose slides templates from here, or you can also search. So you get every kind of templates available, whether it's school planner, lesson planner, any party or wedding planner, and also your digital journals and notebooks. So let me choose this one. So here you can have a short preview of how does it look, and these are completely editable. Now you can choose do you want it on Google Slides or PowerPoint. So I'll show you both ways. First let's see Google Slides. So it opens up a preview here. To edit, say use template here. So then it will open this slide in your Google Slide. So you can change your heading here, and if you want to change anything else also, and you can change this picture if you want, and these titles also. So you have 4 slides. If you want, you can add more also, and when you present it, it looks something like this, as we saw in the video, like this. So this is a very good if you want to make some presentation articles and all that. Now let's see for PowerPoint. So say download PowerPoint. It will download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can rename it here. So I'll just rename it as newspaper article and press enter. Now let's open it up. Say show in folder. So you just click it and it will automatically open as in PowerPoint. Now to edit it, say enable editing. This gives you a warning, but you can enable it. So here you can do the same things, edit the titles, pictures, stuff like that, and while presenting it's the same thing. So you can choose the PowerPoint and Google Slides according to what you want and what you're comfortable with. So I generally use PowerPoint. You can also choose Google Slides. Tell me in the comments box below if you want to see something else or review. So guys, hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye guys.